Yo, what up, fam? This your boy Jake to the yeah. We got FL Studio up. We finna make a little old bitty beat in FL Studio. We're gonna see if we can use some synth sounds for the melody. I don't know. We just using FL Studio sounds. I don't be buying VSTs like that. But we finna dive into this beat. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have a clue. Don't know what I'm gonna do. But we're gonna start out with. Let's go straight to. Let's add. Let's try this one. I don't even really use it that much. Skit. I don't know where my audio is. What's my audio? There we go. Okay, we're gonna do something with that. I don't know what just yet. Let's bring up the playlist. Switch that to song. Let's do that. I know y'all probably do stuff a whole different way, but this is how I do it. I don't care what you do. Alright. So let's bring that right here. Let's minimize that. Let's try keyboards. Don't like that one. We're gonna find it though. Let's see if we can use that for something. Piano roll. Let's go back to pattern. We got that sound. Let's see if we can find something else. What is this? Alright, so now we got that. Let's come over here. Piano roll. That right there, we got that. Let's find another one. Yeah. Let's try this sound sense. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but we're gonna do something with it. see here what I want to do. Take that back, don't really like that. So now we got that done. Let's add, why not? Know what that was. Let's try that again. Let's try it again. Okay, let's get rid of that. And we're using a demo version. We're gonna do that. I don't really care where I put it. We're gonna put it right there. I should be saving this. Playlist, markers, notes. What am I trying to do? What am I trying to do? Pattern. We're gonna do pattern. Cut the remainder. What am I trying to do right now? I can't even tell you. Well, we'll do that later. That's not what I'm trying to do. Let's mix this down a little bit. We need to make this 808 a little bit more aggressive. Let's do Fruity Overdrive. Hey, I be coming around the block. I be coming around the block. Okay, so there we have it. I just did a simple beat using the sounds in FL Studio. Y'all let me know what you think about this in the comments. This your boy. Peace.